Hello everyone. Take a red circular sheet of paper, then cut out multiple wave-like shapes out of blue paper. Stick them one under the other, make it out of different shades. At the bottom, add it in brown. Take a green sheet of paper, cut it out in the shape of a leaf, and then make multiple slits on it. Bend it slightly as such. Stick tape on one of the sides and then stick it onto the blue portion of the paper. Add a brown bark to symbolize that it is a tree, and then out of clay add some brown balls to symbolize coconuts. Take a circular sheet of white paper and then take a blue paper and stick it accordingly. Add green sheets of paper to make it look like grass. Add some lines on one of the ends of it, a red sheet of paper, and fold it over. It should be rectangular in shape. Add some eyes as well to it. Add a butterfly to the top. Take a pink strip of paper that is somewhat thick in nature and then fold it over 2 times. Make an ovular shape on it that looks like a water drop or a teardrop and then cut it up. Fold it up into half and then arrange it all in a circular shape. Taking a yellow sheet of paper, make multiple slits on it after you make it a strip and then stick it in the center. Add the stems. Take some bubble wrap, cut it out in the shape of a tree and then add tape on one of the ends, paint it green on the other. Add a bark and some grass. Take a leaf and then stick it on a circular sheet of white paper. Add some glue to the bottom and then cut out multiple sheets of paper. Using some black clay, make an ant at the bottom. You may also make a bee. Add the lines and everything using a marker pen. At the top, you may add the sun as well as some clouds using a marker. Take a pink ovular sheet of paper and then on one of the sides draw multiple lines as such. Now arrange it in a semicircular form. Add a green base to it. Take a blue sheet of paper, cut it up in a semicircle, add it to the bottom of the page. Take another green sheet, make a slight slit in it and add it to the bottom of each of the flowers. Add some stems as well. Draw on little tadpoles using a marker. Take a white sheet of circular paper and then stick some blue paper on it for the base part of it that's almost semicircular in nature. Take multiple pink balls of clay, arrange it in a circular shape and then add a yellow center. Draw on the bark of the tree. In the portion of water, smudge some yellow balls of clay. Make little ducks out of it, add the beaks and everything else. Take a black rectangular sheet of paper and then cut out the shape of a bird onto it. Add a white center for the base. Add a little bee on the side as well. Take a white circular sheet of paper and then cut out a semicircular sheet out of brown paper. Taking strips of green paper, add it in the shape of some grass. Draw on the roots using a marker and then on the side, draw on a snail. You may use some paper to make the rest of the body such as the shell and the body. Thank you for watching.